In this video, I want to show you how to apply for a Bybit card. So I know some of you actually use your ATM card to withdraw money in the ATMs and to pay for goods and services. You can also do same with your Bybit card, and I'll show you how to do that in these videos. The first step is to sign up on Bybit. So I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. Once you sign up and do your KYC, so the next thing you're going to do is to open up Bybit and click on Assets. Now you're going to see card apply now. What you need to note is this card is not available for all regions, so only those in specific regions can actually apply for it. So if you can see it right here, it simply means you can apply for it. So I'll go ahead and click on apply now. I'll click on get your card. So select your country. I'm going to select Nigeria is already selected. I'll click on confirm, and right now it's saying I need to verify my identity very well. So that's my ID card. I'm going to click on verify again, and ID type, I'm going to select passport. Click on continue. Then I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so I'll click on this and click on next. Click on allow. Then I'm going to scan my ID card. So you can see I'm actually blurring some important details so you don't get to see it. All right, so it has actually done that. So I'm going to go ahead to click on accept. And you can see we received your document. All right, so this is going to take a few seconds for it to go through. You can see successful. Have actually verified my ID card. So now I can click on back, and I'll just go back completely. So next I'll click on this get your card, select Nigeria, confirm. So after about 5 minutes, my ID card got verified. So I can come back to this assets section. I'll click on card apply now, click on get your card. I'll click on confirm, and you can see this is done. So I'll click on next. Okay, so what are you using Bybit for? So I'm just going to select trading on Bybit. What's your employment status? So self-employed. What's your income? Self-employed income. And what's your annual income? So you can just pick the one that falls under your category. I can select the right one, and I'll go ahead and click on next. All right, so I'll click on this. I'll just click on this check mark here, click on submit. So you can see right here that I have requested for a virtual card, and once that is approved, I can start using that to pay for things online. Now there are some persons that are allowed to get physical card. You have the option to pick either a virtual card or a physical card, but for me they only gave me a virtual card. So go ahead and check out the options to see which one is available in your region. So this is it about how to get the card from Bybit and then use that to start paying for goods and services online. And right now Bybit is actually having an event where for those persons that are able to use this card, they will earn a 10% cashback and up to $300 in cashback, which they can actually use to buy goods and services online. And this is only restricted to new users of Bybit. So if you don't have a Bybit account, use my link in the description to create one right now. Make sure to deposit up to $100 to enjoy this benefit. And if you are an existing user, you can also get up to 150 USDT worth of cashback, which you can also spend. So this is a few terms and conditions for those that are trying to use this card. I'm also going to leave a link for you to read more about the terms and conditions in the description. But let me know if you've created the Bybit card right now in the comment section. I'll be there to check out your comments. And that's all for this video, and bye for now.